Every great app starts with one idea and the right tools to bring it to life. In this course, we are building a modern shop app powered by Flutter on the front end and AWS on the back end. You will learn how to connect your Flutter app to real cloud services, handling products, users, orders with DynamoDB, running backend logic with AWS Lambda, managing APIs through API Gateway, and storing images securely with S3, plus many more AWS services that bring automation, scalability, and performance to your app. From authentication to checkout, every feature comes together in one seamless cloud-powered experience. By the end of this course, you will have a fully functional shop app connected to the cloud and ready for the world. So if you are ready to take your Flutter skills beyond the basics, let's build your shop app with Flutter and AWS.